So today there's a small meet at the shop. So I'm gonna take this car. The side bar's over there already, so I'm gonna have both cars over there. And I'm gonna put the stickers on that I'm missing here. I haven't touched this since I finished it. So I'm gonna clean up the wheels where the stickers go and then slap them on, make sure I place them on the right spoke. B4, I got both decals on. I got the one on the spoke and I got the one that goes on the lip. I think it looks really good. It's like not crazy loud, simple. Just because like without the decal, the wheel looks kind of boring in my opinion. So that looks good. So now I gotta do all three of them and then maybe wipe down the car, maybe not. I don't know how I'm feeling. So that's done. I did 3 out of 4 because I couldn't put one of the wheels with the valve stem facing down, and I want to at least do that so that it is as straight as possible. So the only one I'm missing is the driver's side. So when I pull it out later, I'll stick that on real quick. Then we'll go to the shop meet later this afternoon. I'll probably show up a little bit before just to hang out and then show you guys what's going on over there. Got the essentials you need for any meet or show. Basically, you know, you need the hookah. I don't think I'm gonna need all this stuff, but I'd rather be safe than sorry and not be annoyed when I don't have a hookah. Started raining. Luckily I didn't wash the car. K-Swap S2K. Fat tire. Looks good. Rip when you try to off-road in a Civic. You got the R here, got the 8th gen over there. So you know, of course, we got the hookah bussin', chilling here. So it's dope. Turnout was pretty cool. There's a lot of like race car-y stuff. So I don't really know that much about race car stuff, obviously. As you can tell, my stuff is more stance. But it's cool. Everybody's vibing. We had the hookah on. It was a good little time.
Oh, there you go.
She looks sick. Then a whole bunch of crazy K-Swap. Nice turbo. A car two-stepping somewhere. Chris walking, you know.
Yeah, you know, work outfit.
I'm waiting for your two-step contest in the
Just give me
a year, and you still won't.
I still won't. Nah, with the other car, I used to do the two-step all the time.
Yeah, but now you're gonna build it and you won't.
No, and I'm gonna do that shit every day.
Yeah, okay.
The whole year, I haven't drove that shit. I miss it. I miss the turbo.
You still won't do it.
Nah, I still would do it. I'll do it all day.
But it looks cool.
Just remember this video. Remember this, so we could put it, you know, when we do it into a video, you can put it on the clip.
2 days later.
Do you guys ever feel like a car is a never-ending project? So basically I was almost done with this car, I think. But I got another part that goes in the front end that I'm gonna install today. Alright, so I got all the clips and the couple screws that from the front bumper off. So now I'm gonna drop the car and get the front bumper out so we can get to that mod. This is gonna give it away here. We got new headlights. I can't wait to put them on. So, they're nice. I got some clear corner OEM style headlights. And these are gonna look so good. So much, it's just like a subtle touch, obviously. The only difference is really that this is clear instead of amber. But I think it's gonna flow very good with the chrome wheels and the white paint, all that stuff. It's gonna look super good. So I'm gonna transfer the bracket from the headlight to this one and then bounce it right back up. So you can see these are OEM style black housing, clear corners, exactly like OEM. So it's gonna look super good with the white and chrome. subtle change, but I think it's gonna match really good with the chrome and the white and all that stuff, like I said. Got them on. And it's so good. So that's probably one of the final mods for now for the Type R, because cosmetically there's nothing else that I like except the front lip, but the front lips are super expensive right now, so I'm gonna wait on that. But I think so far the car is looking really, really good.